Hello everyone, today I will go through how to install and troubleshoot installation of the Return of Reckoning private server client. So I'm gonna have all the links that I'm using in the video description, and I will show you all the steps during this process. You first go to the returnofreckoning.com website, and there will be this big Join Us button where you make your account, you register, and you activate using a link that you'll get in your email. That will be step 1. Step 2 is that you go down to download install game client, and I would recommend using the torrent download. During the process of my installation, that has given me less amount of errors in the end. As well as that, you're going to have to grab 2 more things. You're going to have to grab the Directx runtimes in the link down here. I will have this link in the video description as well. And just download and install that. That might take a little while, as well as the torrent, of course. Once you have those parts done, you go here to install the launcher. You download that, and that's a direct link to the exe file. Or exe file, and you need to put it straight into the actual folder of Return of Reckoning that you downloaded, not inside another folder, but inside the main folder where you have the warpatch.exe and the war.exe and everything else. And that is essentially how you get the game installed. However, if you run into any issues, because there might be some, and there is this giant box of issues that you can run into, and in essence there's a few one, and if you have something that contains this following information with system diagnostics performance counter lib blah blah blah, what you need to do is that you need to run a command prompt as an administrator. There's a couple of ways of doing this. What I generally do is on Windows 10, right click on the little start or Windows icon and go to command prompt admin. And what you need to do here is that you need to do lodctr /r and enter. However, that might give some errors. One of my friends, when he had this, all he had to do is do it again in a few minutes, and it worked, strangely enough. But also, if it doesn't work, you can also type the lodctr / I'm actually going to copy this instead because reasons. The /e :PerfProc, and also these commands may take a few seconds to perform. I've already done them, or actually I don't need to do them, so I'm not going to run them, but you should be fine. Also, if you happen to get the could not find myth login service config.xml, try replacing your launcher with a link of this copy. Again, link will be in the video description. Same thing, if you find the D3DX9_34 DLL not found, use this link and replace it in the war folder. And you also, if you get an error stating that you had access denied to the files, what you need to do is that you need to go to the Warhammer folder, right click it, properties, uncheck this thing, read only, apply to all subfolders and files. Again, will take a little while depending on your hard drive speed and everything else. And the last thing that you may need to do is you may need to run the ROR launcher as an administrator. What I've done is that I've put a shortcut in my desktop. In properties, I've had it to run as administrator, so it always run as administrator. And yeah, that should be everything you need. Again, links in description. If you run into any other issues that I've not covered here yet or is not on this page, go to this technical support forum subsection and post the topic there after you've searched if anyone else had the same issue, and hopefully we'll be able to figure out your issues. Have fun!